Our planet's story begins with a bang, not a whimper, a colossal explosion that set the stage for everything to come. Imagine a young solar system, chaotic and swirling with dust and gas, a cosmic ballet of particles and energy constantly in motion. Out of this cosmic dance, a rogue planet the size of Mars slammed into the early Earth, the energy released unimaginable. It was a cataclysmic event that reshaped our planet forever. This collision wasn't just destructive, it was a creative force. The debris from this impact didn't just scatter aimlessly, it began to coalesce. Debris from this impact coalesced, forming our moon, a celestial body that would become Earth's constant companion. This partner in space would go on to influence Earth's tides and stabilize its axis, crucial for life as we know it. The moon's gravitational pull played a vital role in shaping our world, but this newborn Earth was no paradise. It was a volatile and hostile environment. Early Earth was a hellscape of molten rock and a toxic, unbreathable atmosphere. Volcanoes erupted continuously, and the air was thick with noxious gases. It's hard to imagine anything surviving, let alone thriving in such an environment, yet life finds a way. Yet within this chaos, the seeds of life were sown. In the primordial soup, the building blocks of life began to form. The stage was set for a remarkable journey of resilience and evolution. From these humble beginnings, life on Earth would embark on an incredible adventure. Picture this: volcanoes spewing lava, lighting up the sky with fiery rivers, the air thick with noxious gases, completely alien to what we breathe today. This was Earth's early environment. Oceans, not of water, but of molten rock, stretched across the surface. It's almost impossible to conceive of life in this inferno, but over millions of years, the planet cooled. The molten rock solidified, forming the first continents. Water vapor condensed and fell as torrential rain, creating the first oceans. This was a turning point. Water, the elixir of life, began to reshape our world, yet the atmosphere remained a challenge, lacking the oxygen we need to breathe. In the depths of those early oceans, something extraordinary happened. Life emerged against all odds in an environment that seemed utterly inhospitable. Not the complex life we see today, but single-celled organisms, simple yet powerful. These tiny pioneers were the first to carve out an existence in the primordial soup. These pioneers thrived in the absence of oxygen, extracting energy from chemicals spewing from hydrothermal vents. These vents acted like underwater furnaces, providing the necessary heat and minerals. These deep-sea geysers provided warmth and nutrients, a cradle for life in a seemingly inhospitable world. It was here in the dark depths that life found its first foothold. Over eons, these organisms evolved, adapting to their environment in remarkable ways. They developed photosynthesis, the ability to harness sunlight for energy. This was a game changer, allowing life to tap into a virtually limitless energy source. This innovation released oxygen as a byproduct, slowly changing the composition of the atmosphere. The air we breathe today is a direct result of this ancient process. Life, it seemed, wasn't just adapting to its environment, it was transforming it. The very presence of these organisms began to alter the world around them. The stage was set for more complex life forms to evolve. From these humble beginnings, the incredible diversity of life we see today began to unfold. Fast forward millions of years. Life has exploded in diversity, filling every nook and cranny of our planet with an astonishing array of creatures and plants. Dinosaurs, the titans of their time, ruled the planet with unmatched dominance, their massive forms roaming the Earth for millions of years. Their reign, though long, was not to last. A massive asteroid, a cosmic bullet, slammed into Earth, triggering catastrophic events that led to their extinction, changing the course of life forever. This event, while devastating, opened up new opportunities for life to evolve and adapt in ways previously unimaginable. In the shadows of the dinosaurs, mammals, small and resilient, began their ascent, slowly but surely adapting to the changing world around them. This brings us to today. Humans, with their intelligence and ingenuity, have become the dominant species on Earth, shaping the environment to suit their needs. Our impact is undeniable, from the towering cities we build to the advanced technologies we develop, connecting the world in ways never before possible. But this dominance comes with responsibility. The future of our planet, the only home we know, rests in our hands, and we must act wisely. Will we be wise stewards of this pale blue dot, or will we repeat the mistakes of the past, leading to our own downfall? The answer, my friends, is up to us. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow.